Well, it has been tough to buy a home for many people lately. We've got interest rates that have been rising and demand is outpacing supply. So today we're checking out housing trends and what we can expect to see over the next few months. James Danley is here with us now from Danley and Associates of Birmingham. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Allie. Happy Monday. How are you?
Happy Monday. I'm well, and I'm interested in this topic. I'm a new home buyer myself. It was difficult last year, and it looks like it might be difficult again this year going into the spring and summer months. But what do you expect to see?
No, I agree with you. I think the trend's going to continue. We have a pretty tight market. The supply-demand imbalance is about as extreme as it's ever been. So I think the two main trends this spring that everyone's going to be talking about are, one, interest rates. As of last week, the average 30-year fixed rate jumped up to 5%. A year ago, it was at 3%. So for the average American homeowner who's buying at that $375,000 median price point, it's $300 more a month to afford that same home. So I think at the lower end of the market, we're going to see a little bit less competition on the bidding side because some people are being priced out based on interest rates. But on the luxury end of the market, I think we're still going to see very competitive bidding wars and a lot of properties that will probably sell off market before the mainstream public even sees them.
Now, we hear this a lot, and it's got to be very frustrating for buyers. Homes that go on the market but really aren't on the market because they've already sold. It's like they're listed, but they're already gone. Is that still happening? Is the market really that competitive right now?
It is. It happens pretty consistently, especially in the niche luxury markets. So where we're at in Birmingham and Bloomfield, you have a lot of competitive buyers, and the agent pool is very small. We all tend to know each other, and so a lot of those transactions happen before those homes get listed, especially with new construction inventory right now. We have a rolling list of all the homes being built in the entire city of Birmingham. There's not that many, so we know which ones are available for sale and which ones aren't. So many of those get pre-sold before they ever get listed, unfortunately.
And how long do you expect competitive buying like this to be in place? Is this going to be more of a short-term thing or a long-term thing?
So if you want to boil it down to the basics of supply and demand and look at those metrics and numbers, it looks like it could continue for quite some time. And the reason for that is we stopped producing housing stock after the last crash. So now we have an entire generation of millennial buyers that are buying homes. Most people thought that they wouldn't. Now they are. And so that supply demand imbalance is about as extreme as it's ever been. So the only way to fix the situation is either to cripple demand, which can come through, economic fallout, world war, and raising interest rates, or you find a way to increase supply. The issue on the supply side is most people want to live in walkable communities now, and those are not easy to develop. So it's mostly pre-existing housing stock that's being torn down or renovated and rebuilt in walkable communities that already exist that people are fighting over.
So what are you telling your clients if they want to buy? Because I know selling is a little bit easier right now, but being a first-time home buyer is kind of a mess.
It is. So, at this point in time in the marketplace, you really need a market expert to help guide you through the process. So we do all kinds of off-market mailing campaigns. So for our buyers, we work with some buyers right now that want to be on a handful of specific lakes. So we pull public record on all the properties that fit their parameters on those lakes. We send out handwritten mailing campaigns to those sellers. We stir up off-market inventory for people that are considering selling that aren't actively on the market. And then in the competitive bidding situations, a lot of that comes down to the relationships that the agents have and communication that takes place to be able to position your buyers to secure and get and take down those homes. So it's more important than ever that people have a competent, experienced agent guiding them through this process.
What if you do want to buy, but you're just feeling down, like you're losing every bid and you've got the high interest rates? Are you still encouraging people to buy?
I think it depends on your position. So for the first time in our lifetime, we have excessive inflation. And so what that means is if you're sitting on US dollars, you're sitting on cash, it's losing a substantial amount of its purchasing power every year, depending on the goods and services that you want to buy. And so if you have a substantial amount of cash, that's why the wealthy are all buying scarce and desirable assets right now. They're acquiring real estate. They're acquiring things that will continue to appreciate because they know that their US dollars are losing purchasing power. And so it depends on your situation. I think that if you don't have a lot of cash and you're stretching to be a first-time home buyer, it might not be the best time to buy for you. You might want to be patient till the market settles down a little bit more. But if you're sitting on excessive amounts of US cash, then you want to buy assets.
James Danley with Danley and Associates of Birmingham. Thank you so much for being here and offering your insight.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure, Allie. Appreciate the opportunity.
Of course. Let's